Hi, everyone. Okay, so here's a quick video of me doing this problem in case you want to watch it step by step. So ultimately, they're telling us y equals 0. And remember, a couple of different names for this. Solving this could be find the root or find the 0. These are different ways. So this, and this, those are different ways to solve this equation. Okay, so we're going to put this 0 in. And now my goal is to get x by itself. The only thing we have to be really careful of with this, and I know some of you did some of this before, is undoing this square. We've got some different stuff that happens. So we're going to add 8 to both sides. I'm going to divide by 2. It's like you're peeling the onion layers away. We want to get the things furthest away, out of the way first, then we'll get to the inside. We get 4 equals x minus 3 squared. Okay, so we don't add 3 to both sides because this is not the same as having a 3 there. This is 3 squared and it's in the parentheses. So to undo this outside layer, we have to square root both sides. But remember that when you square root both sides, truly in a square root, there's actually 2 answers. So like the square root of 9 is actually 3 and -3. Because if we graphed this, if we looked at what is the square root of 9 or the square root of x, it's gonna it goes through it. The square root tends to represent, especially in math so far that we've done, it tends to represent the positive. But technically, I mean, what's the definition of a square root? X squared gives you that value. So 3 squared equals 9, but -3 squared also equals 9. So that's, we're opening up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to square root both sides. Be really careful here. I actually get 2 answers. Oops, not 4, sorry, 2. So I get plus or minus 2 because the square root of 4 is 2. And then I get x minus 3 over here. Those parentheses don't really matter. Sometimes what I like to do with this is I like to put my 2 answers down, and I'll show you why that can help me a little bit. Because now if I look at this, my next goal to get x by itself is I'm going to add 3 to both sides. But remember, I've got 2 potential answers, so I have to add 3 to both of those things. I get x over here. And then I get -2 plus 3 is 1, and 2 plus 3 is 5. Those become my 2 answers here. So if you go on Desmos and you look at the graph of this original function, this means that this graph, the graph of f of x equals 2 times x minus 3 squared minus 8 crosses at 5, 0 and 1, 0. Because remember, we set y equal to 0. Okay.